The username reminder request allows us to create a link that when the user clicks on it, they will be presented with a screen that allows them to receive an email with their username. It'll give them an email form that they just simply type in their email, hit submit, and it sends them their username. This is only applicable to folks that are logged in and are actually registered with the site and logged in. And like most things, when we're adding them to a menu, we need to give them a menu title. The alias will automatically generate. Again, read the tooltips. The note here, we can leave ourselves a note. This is the link that's going to be generated. The status we can edit, access, menu location, the parent item of the link, and the ordering after we save it. If we add it to our custom user menu, we'll be able to order this link inside that menu relative to other items that are also in the menu. When the user clicks on the link, we need to set the target, the default page. We probably leave to no. Language we can probably leave alone depending upon how many languages you have loaded on your website. And the template style we can probably leave alone as well. There's a link title attribute that we can put in. It's totally optional. The link CSS style is optional as well, and the link image is optional. Along with the add menu title, this is optional too. So go ahead and read these tooltips and they'll explain in detail what those do. Again, this is going to generate a dynamic page. So we need to give it a custom page title. In addition, we can choose to use a page heading, and if we do and tick yes, we need to put the heading right in here under page heading. This is going to be the H1 on the page, the H1 tag, so we want to make sure to perhaps put keyword in there. And then there's a custom page class that's optional that we can apply. If we're going to do this, we need to put the CSS class in the template.css file and then refer to it here. Dynamic pages need custom meta descriptions, so we want to make sure you put one in here. Put in some keywords. There's a robots text file we can affect, and whether or not we're dealing with SSL or just leave it at ignore. Out of the box, Joomla does not come with these two other options, the fusion menu and the split menu option, so we're going to ignore those for now. And the module assignment for this menu, you can assign this menu item to multiple modules. Most of these in the kind of the user menu items, password resets, username reminders, profile edits, editing your profile, these kinds of things. These types of links are used when creating a custom user menu. So when your users are logged in, they have a custom user menu they can click on and get a password request or anything like that. You can also publish this link in a menu that is maybe buried in the site and send a link to somebody. Depending upon what site you've got, users might need a password reminder. So it wouldn't make sense to put this on a hidden menu, because then the individual wouldn't be able to log in to click on the reminder to remind them of their username. So find some sort of strategic way to place this link somewhere in your site in a menu that's accessible to users. And at the top right, we've got save, save and close, save and new, and cancel. And then there's the help box there. So hope that's helpful.